Hey guys, I just got an insightful thought about practicing gratitude, and it was also I connected it to what was told in the Success Answer book by Ron Malhotra, by which it was clearly mentioned that if we practice gratitude, it will rewire our brain and with positive emotions, and it will lead to better positive emotions leading to actions and leading to success. Most people, they always tend to think about what they don't have in life. The same thing as they are not contented with what they have, and they are most thinking about what they don't have. If they have a SUV vehicle, they always think of a Mercedes-Benz, which they don't have. So that keeps them worrying, and they are filled with negative thoughts. But if we feel grateful for what we do have, rather than dwelling in a situation and thinking about what we don't have, it leads to negative emotions. But if we start feeling grateful for what we do have and not thinking about what we don't have, the whole perspective of our thought will be different, and the meaning of life will be totally different for us. So we should have an attitude of gratitude and gratefulness, and as practiced by Oprah Winfrey and Lady Gaga, who maintain a journal of gratitude. They maintain a book of gratitude, and every day they write 5 events or activities or actions in life which they feel to express gratitude to whom they have come across. So they make an entry of at least 5 different events in their life, and this when continued for 21 days, it actually gives a very, very different feeling. It totally gives a different meaning to our life, and it is full of positive emotions. And even when you don't have these positive events happening, or maybe this gratitude events happening in your life, you can always feel thankful about maybe the very good garden around your house. Maybe a very, very big house you are having, or maybe the sufficient rooms you are having, maybe a good parents, maybe a good spouse, or maybe good brothers, sisters, cousins, and a good family circle, a good friend circle. See, all these you can always have gratitude about, and even if nothing happens in your life, concurrently or maybe the daily effect. Now, there was a survey conducted and research conducted on around 300 students, university students, who were counseled, for psychological and mental this thing, and they were divided into 3 groups, and each group was given a task, and the first group was given a task of gratitude journaling or maybe writing. And the second group was given to write what they thought deeply into, and it was a negative, generally the negative thoughts. And the third group was not given any task at all. So after maybe 1 month, they were all tested for the mental and psychological this thing, and it was found out that there were 4 insights which were actually there in the research which was found out. The first thing was that gratitude shackles us from toxic emotions, which means that when we show gratitude, all negative emotions like envy, resentment, etc., these all get eliminated, and we are always filled with positive emotions. This also can be connected to what Ron said. If we don't have positive thoughts in our mind, negative thoughts get into our mind, and it leads to failure ultimately. So it can be connected to that. It shackles us from toxic emotions like envy, resentment, and all negative emotions are eliminated. Now, second thing is that it helps even if the gratitude, even if we don't send it to the person who we want to show. Like somebody has helped us and we want to show gratitude, we just write in the journal, and it's that most of it they want to tell them physically or maybe through letters and all that. If you don't even send it to them, even then it makes a very big difference in our life. It always gives us positive emotions. Number 3, when we start writing the gratitude journal, we will not find the immediate results. There will not be a visible change immediately. It will take 21 days or maybe 4 weeks to 12 weeks to see the changes and to see the difference, the positive emotions which are being created. And the fourth insight is actually based on the research. It has a lasting impact on your brain. Whenever we practice gratitude, you tend to be more grateful, you tend to be more helping others, which again involves positive attitude. And the medical term is, they showed greater neural sensitivity in the medial prefrontal cortex, a brain area associated with the learning and decision making. So this brain area of medial prefrontal cortex is positively affected, which is associated with learning and decision making. This part of the brain is associated with learning and decision making, and they had greater neural sensitivity. And they always evolve positive thoughts, which leads to positive actions and ultimately massive success. And the striking effect was found 3 months after the letter writing began. So it again connects to the earlier insight that it takes a time. It takes some time. Immediately you will not get the results, and it always leads to better mental health and avoids depression. You can understand the present condition of the world. Most of the people are always attacked by depression because of the very, very fluid state of economy, the career, and everything. So this always helps in overcoming all these things, imbibing positive emotions, eliminating negative emotions, ultimately leading to positive actions and massive success. God bless you.